I need to turn down my headset volume even though you can't hear my game sounds, which I purposely have it off for a reason. Alright, so we are going to be doing a series of rebuilding the San Jose Sharks. Let's go. We aren't going to do an expansion draft for it. Yeah, we aren't going to do an expansion draft for it. But we'll do that for the next franchise mode on the channel. Alright, so owner mode on, fantasy draft off, salary cap on, GM firing off, head coach outlines off, fog of war off, player morale on, CPU trades on, auto owner mode that is off, except relocation in case if I feel like relocating the team is on. Auto sign free agents off. Auto staff management. I'm debating on turning that on because I don't really like having to, hire the scouts. But with the coaches, I like hiring my own. Alright, so for the game settings, I already have a preset set for it. Game style, it will be, game style will be traditional. I think that's what it is. It will be traditional. Injuries off because when the injuries are there, it's kind of a pain in the butt. 5-minute period length in case if we want to jump into some games if needed. Fantasy draft off, obviously. Offensive cap penalties on. We're probably only going to do it for 5 to 10 years anyways. Difficulty will be on pro, but I might have to change it to semi-pro depending on my mood. Salary cap on. Trade difficulty, we're going to put it on medium for now. Auto scouting. Yeah, we'll put auto scouting on. Auto staff management, nope. Here, I don't get this one here, because when we turn it off, it's still gonna auto save, which I hate. I hate the auto saves, but yeah, let's hop into the franchise mode. And this episode will just be some first trades and stuff. Alright, we are in. The first line of Meyer. I like that. Couture's a playmaker, right? Alright. I'm gonna have Hurdle at second line, right? First line, right wing. We're gonna change this up. Put Dylan Gambrell up there. Ryan Donato at center, I guess. And I like how my righty's on the left and lefty's on the right. I don't know what I want to do. Like, I probably can't have this coach specifically. How about... Let's try this. Put Nieto there. Still that. Okay. Wow. have to do some roster changing. Okay then. So this is our first pairing. I'll put Mario Ferraro with Brent Burns. And sure, I guess Frederick Claesson can play 6D. I would put Nikolai Knizov there, but only a 75 overall, so. Just notice I got Noah Grigor up there. So. Take Sorensen out and put in Gregor. Kind of fix it. Alright, we'll have to do something. Yeah, so the goalies are Devin Dubnyk and Martin Jones. We are gonna try to trade this contract. 5.75 mil for 4 years for an 82 overall. Yikes. With Dubnyk, 1 year left at $2 million. I'm not gonna keep him. He's a good placeholder for the first year. Joseph Cornash, future backup for us for sure. Maybe the same with Alexei Malnichuk, depends on how he develops. Oh, I need to put Chekovich in there. I need to even put Ryan Merkley in there. Alright. Dang, why is this team loaded with depth? Oh, Mr. Fighter here. Curtis Gabriel has gotten into like 7 fights this year. It's funny. Alright, we'll take Evan Wenger out and put in Ivan Chekovich. Mainly because Chekovich is 21. Alright, so we got a line of grinders. Sniper, two-way. Then we got a sniper, power forward, playmaker. So yeah, you'll see that sniper, power forwards, and playmakers are pretty much giving you the most line chemistry. Let's see, we got Robbie Russo and Nick Maloshe. Who's the oldest in this bunch? Magna, probably. Alright, yeah, we're gonna take out Robbie Russo. And we're gonna put in Ryan Merkley. Play Merkley on the top pair, why not? Alright. Jacob Middleton down there. Playing with Nick Maloshe and Christian Urosh. Playing with Nick DeSimone. Let's see, power play, John Leonard. Sure, I probably should have bumped his potential up a little bit. Antti Suomala. Alright. Yeah, so we'll take Joakim Blickfield out and put in, let's put in, I don't even know, I don't pay attention. Alright. Sharks power play right here. Basically have Burns and Carlson, that's nasty. Evander Kane, put him there. Let's see, Gregor should not be in there at all. We'll put in Pickles there. I'm okay. I'm okay with Marlowe being on the power play. For now, at least. Now, this team is not that good, so we got some fixing to do. Specifically in the off season. This year's gonna be tank season. Alright, I got the stream manager up on my phone so I could see the chat. Alright. See, Murphy, he's going to be a part of our future. He won't be traded. Carlson probably won't for now, despite that high cap hit. Yikes. I am going to try to trade Brett Burns, though, because that's just a bad contract. 87 overall, 35. He's going to decline after this year, and he's making $8 million for 5 more years. So let's find a team that's interested. Boston? Sure. See, we'll take back some salary to make the cap work. Take John Moore. See if we get Jacob Zaboral out of this deal too. Maybe even Zach Senyshyn. Get some good get some good prospects. Jeez. Now we need to get rid of a couple players. Scares that they're interested in. Go to centers. We'll send them bad players, I guess. This Gallant dude. Sorensen. Yeah. See, they're over the cap, so we'll retain half on Sorensen. We still need to take it back more. Okay, I can't retain much on him. 400,000, really? Alright, a lot on a crap player. Artemi Knyzev. He won't be good enough for us, so we'll put him in. So basically, it's a prospect swap, and a bad contract and a useless guy for a bad contract. And see, let's find a guy that they probably would not want. We're trying to make this realistic too, so Sean Corrali? Be a great fourth liner. Coming back to San Jose, I guess, which I did not know that. Yeah, let's do this. This might not seem like a good trade, but trying to get rid of some money. And Zaboral, I'm not sure if I'm going to play him in the NHL right away, or put him down to the AHL. Alright, trade sent. Trade accepted. Do assistant GM best roster for now, as we're about to trade away that awful Martin Jones contract. Surprisingly, he has, yeah, well, Buffalo, not surprising. Goalie's gonna suck. Let's see. on a different team. Whoa. Not gonna do that to my Penguins. You know what, let's send him to Arizona and we'll acquire David Sendak. Wait a minute. How about this? I just thought of something. How about, let's see if we can get a 4th round pick. Skater crap. Alright, so it's not Arizona. Let's go to Detroit. Also have 50 players. Alright. Martin Jones is heading back to LA. 4th round pick. Okay, that's what I thought. You'll also see why I'm doing this in a moment. 5th round pick. 6th round pick. Still no. Damn. Alright, 7th round pick. Alright, we're gonna have to add something. This will make the trade seem kind of bad on my part, but trying to put this team in a position. Martin Jones in the 4th or 7th. Perfect. We had to get rid of that Martin Jones contract because we need some more money for the offseason. Yeah, I'm not surprised that, he's on the block now. I'm thinking about Troy Grosnick. Have him come back to San Jose and be my backup. Matt Villalda is also another option in like 3 years. Let's see, Minnesota. I would go with Hammond. Kind of old though. But a young, decent backup. Could we steal Primo? If not Primo, Lindgren. Alright, so trade the Kings 7th and go to the 2026 draft. 4th round pick. So 4th and 7th for Primo. Can we do it? Oh, damn. Alright. Next team. Connor Ingram. Could we get Connor Ingram? Medium star potential. I'm looking for a future starter as well. Connor Ingram might be that guy. Boom. Got Connor Ingram, baby. Knizov's not going to play for us, so I'll put him down. I do want to play Zaboral over Clayson and Shimmick, and heck, even more. We'll find a trade for Shimmick. Knizov, you'll go down to the minors. We're going to go to goaltending. Joseph Cornash is back in the minors. So we're heading back here. Connor Ingram will be our backup, and I'm actually honestly considering trading Dubnyk. Because if I could trade Dubnyk and get something decent, I could go full and take one, have Ingram as my starter. And just call up Melnichuk or Redmond, for God's sake, to be my backup. Maybe even Gornash, I'm not sure. Where was I? Oh, trading Shimmick. So Shimmick. Yeah, we'll just trade Shimmick for now. Trade him to Buffalo. For... Could we get Brandon Montour? Montour, sorry. About right wing. I need to lower Thompson to top 9. Left wing. Zemgus Girgensons would be... Maybe he could fix that fourth line. Mr. Jeffrey Skinner. I purposely bumped him up to an 83 so he's actually able to be traded. Cody Eakin is an 80 overall, which I bumped him up from a 77, maybe because he's a third line center, and I think third line centers are at least an 80 overall. I'm trying to stock up on prospects and draft picks. 4th round pick for Radim Shimmick. Seems equal value. Trades accepted. Sean Corrali's annoyed. Mark Edward Vlasic is annoyed. Patrick Marlowe's annoyed. Dang it. Kevin LeBlanc's annoyed. So Jakob Zaboral will come in. He would play on a... I guess probably shut down pairing, kind of, with Mario Ferraro. I'll swap these to the pairing. I want to do that. Sure. Alright. Got Zaboral, Carlson, Marco Vlasic. Worst contract in real life in the NHL. Mario Ferraro, Frederick Claesson, John Moore. Which Claesson and Moore are a shutdown pair. Defensive defenseman. John Moore's a little more offensive, so we'll put him on the right side. Alright, I think the team's ready for tank season. Let's head on into it's Maine. Alright, we're gonna send to the trade deadline. We're gonna make the one move that we're gonna do, which is trading away Devin Dubnyk. And yeah. Then after this will be the first video of the series. Hold up, this is actually interesting. I know we're in tank mode, but this will be a good goalie to be our placeholder. Marc-Andre Fleury, 87 overall. Ooh. How much value is Robin Leonard? Just curious. Let's see if we get Leonard instead of Fleury. I love Fleury. I'm a Penguins fan, so... It's freaking windy outside. Good lord. Logan Thompson, I might acquire him. And yeah, I bumped him up from a 59 to a 75 because stats he put up in the AHL. Dang. I would have pumped up Patera, but I haven't really seen much impressive stuff from him. Just double the value of Fleury. I gotta get rid of bad contract and I get a good one back. I'll think about that. I will. I'll think about that. Good lord. Oh shoot, they were giving me a second. I needed a second. Since we're in take mode, it will not hurt to be trading away Mark-Edouard Vlasic. Carlson's playing great in the preseason. Holy cow. If we could package a few seconds for a first, that'd be neat. Yeah, so we do need a second. Alright, so we'll probably call up Christian Jarosz. Yeah, we'll probably call up Christian Jarosz to fill in the void. Can we do Vlasic for 30 straight up? Because... Oh! With that second, okay. So we'll do Vlasic and... a fourth. Sabres fourth. For Fleury in a second. See if we get New Jersey second, that would be funny. I doubt this goes through. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's do Vegas' second. Trade rejected, but that's what they offered me, basically. Fourth rounder this year and a fifth in 2023. Alright, perfect. Marc-Andre Fleury is our temporary goalie. We need to bring in someone to, you know... Okay, so we're gonna go down to the minors. Call up Jarosz. Go to goalies. I got a plan. We're gonna waive Devin Dubnyk at the start. I think he gets claimed. Not sure if he would. Ew, these lines are bad. Yeah, these lines are awful. Alright. Let's fix this up. Alright. Here, I could have either Marlowe or Hurdle up. Oh, okay, we'll have Marlowe up there. I do like that third line a lot. Switch this around. Mary Ferraro and Jakob Zabara. Voodoo, Frederick Claesson, and Jakob Zabara. Season starts on the 3rd, so we'll sim up to that day, and then we'll waive Devin Dubnyk. Have Connor Ingram be our backup. Good preseason. Go to roster moves. Bye-bye, Devin Dubnyk. How did he not get claimed? That is shocking. Alright, so Devin Dubnyk is... guess now San Jose Barracuda. Okay, now we're just gonna flat out send the whole year and decline all the trades. One and one, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 3. Oh, it's just Simon would go faster. 4 and 3. Okay, I assume that's Fleury that threw up the shutout. 4 and 5. This trade doesn't make sense at all. It's all decline. We're 5 and 6, 5 and 7. Seven and 7. 8 and 7. Sorry for how quiet I've been. I just didn't get any sleep last night because I just couldn't get to sleep. Persuade him. Alright. Oh my lord, I don't care how you play on this tank here. We'll persuade him. Alright. Also, next year's after this San Jose Shark series, which I guess we'll call it a couple of busts. Shout out to Tactics. Except we're gonna do this for 2 seasons. For this one, and then for the Sabres one, we're gonna go for a long time. Dang, could this sim faster? At least we're on a win streak. And right after I say winning streak, wow. I don't want to be winning. Stop winning. Please lose. I don't want you to be first in the division. You shouldn't be first in the division. Your defense sucks. I don't care, you fat coach. somehow we're still in a playoff spot. Considering if you look at my roster, it is not a good roster. The 2-game winning streak. 3-game winning streak, oh boy. 4 games, 5 games. Jesus. You're gonna score in a crap ton in this winning streak. Six games. You know what? We're going to be a buyer at the deadline. And this video is going to be extended. So it's supposed to be tank season, but sure seems like we're being pretty damn good. I don't even remember who my... Oh, yeah, it's Marc-Andre Fleury. Tied for first in the division with Vegas. 2-game winning streak. Super buyers. Entered the trade deadline. '85 overall Jordan Eberle. Okay. Let's go to the available page. I would go for Jonathan Tays, but I don't really need him. To me, I need another winger and another goalie. Chris Traeger. Alright, so for a winger, let's look at Jesse Pugliarvi. Let's look at Jesse Pugliarvi. Sasha Chmielavsky and Ivan Chekovich. Is that enough? Yeah, I know. Vegas is second. We need to add another player. This is Joe's dude. Alright, we got Jordan Eberle, baby. Wait, no, we got Fleury. Why would he need another goalie? Alright, let's look at our goalie stats. Fleury's playing good enough. 52 games played, Jesus. Alright, 52 games played. 27 wins, 20 losses, 4 overtime losses, and 4 shutouts. It's playing about how he played in the 1920 season. Let's look at Connor Ingram. He has not played that well, but he's played good enough. 9 wins, 3 losses. Devin Dubnyk. We do not want Šimik back, so we'll give Dubnyk to the Lightning for a 4th and a 5th. Let's look at defenseman. Improve this mediocre defense. Yeah, we need major improvements here. You know what? Let's look at Ryan Merkley. Holy. Let's look at this. I'm contemplating on if I want to get rid of that 1st round pick. Neander's an 86 overall. I'll consider this. How about this? They add Drager. We add Fleury. Para. Fine, let's do it. Gregor and Jost are going down. Let's find a trade for Chris Drager. I mainly want him because he's young. And he'd be basically my future for the next at least 2 years, obviously. Let me find the trade. The frick? Of course. If we can't get Drew. Two-thirds on John Moore. Oh my god. Gotta need John Moore. Can't believe I just said that, but we kinda do. About Anton Khudobin. Alright. Antiranta. See what is Anaheim off on the block. Ryan Miller. We'll exit 3 deadline. Oh, there we go. See, Paul Byron. Cheap. He's a cheap player. Well, cheap meaning like money wise. I'll say no. I think I'm good with what I have. Sorry for all the no talking. Kind of spacing out. Alright, we are still in a playoff spot. We are second in the division behind Anaheim. Okay, so Vegas has kind of fallen off a cliff. Third in the division behind the Yotes and the Ducks. Now first in the division. 2-game winning streak. 3-game winning streak. 4 games. Clinch division, baby. 5 games. 6-game winning streak. Okay, in a season that I meant to tank, somehow we made the playoffs. Wow. Who we play? Chicago. Let's see, win in the first game. Win in the second game. Win in the third game. Is this a sweep? No, not a sweep. Got him in 5 games, though. Alright. Send the first 3 games versus Edmonton. Win game 1, lose game 2, win game 3. Win game 4. Win game 5. Okay. So a team that was supposed to tank ends up making the conference finals. This can't get more funny. Game 1 won. Game 2 lost. Game 3 won. Okay. Game 6. Oh my god. I cannot make this up. A team that traded 2 of their best defensemen and their starting goalie. They made the second. They made the cup final. This is so funny. Let's see, it's 2-1. 2-2. 2-3. Oh, game 7, baby. Let's see, 2-0 after 1. 2-1. No, I do not want to go in the game yet. That's for the final 30 seconds. So we'll have it go fast. Ooh, are the Sharks going to be Cup champs? Alright, once we get down to the 1 minute mark, we're going to hop in and see the cup celebration for whoever wins. So far, so good for Fleury. Both Fleury's probably. Alright, we're heading into the game. I also have game audio off for copyright reasons, by the way. And the Sharks are cup champs. Oh my god. A team that I tore apart so we could rebuild wins the Stanley Cup. Oh my god, dude. This is hilarious. Dang, that Marc-Andre Fleury trade paid off. Let's go. Fleury's the GOAT. This is also the longest video you guys are going to see in a long time on this channel, buddies. Right. Marc-Andre Fleury goes out, and he gets the Conn Smythe. Dang, dude, he was great in the playoffs. Look at that. 1.91 goals against and 934 save percentage. Dang, dude. Stanley Cup. Dude, this was the weirdest thing that has happened to me in the sim. It is so weird. How? A team that tanks, pretty much, ends up going to the cup final and winning versus a team with a way better offense and a way better defense. This is crazy than Jakub Zaboro. Holy cow. I barely even did anything. I didn't even make this team better, and they still won the cup. Wow. Holy. This is just great. I'm still shocked. Holy. Like, look at that. Valerie played great. I don't get how he has a 2.97 goals against average when he gave up 2 goals, but maybe because he played 40 minutes. I don't know how that's possible. That was crazy. Now I'm gonna save this on my laptop and post it to YouTube. So yeah, hope you like this video. Give it a like if you like. Give it a dislike if you feel like it. Comment down in the comments if you want me to continue with this Sharks rebuild, or if I should start over and do whatever team that I said in the beginning, in which I completely forgot. Alright. It's been VADR.